In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up audio in Descript with Studio Sound. First, head to Descript.com in your web browser. This is where everything starts. Descript is an audio and video editor that feels familiar if you've used a document editor, and it includes a powerful feature called Studio Sound that can dramatically improve the clarity of your recordings. Once you're on the site, log in and choose your account or workspace. This ensures you're opening the right environment for your projects. After you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, either open an existing project that has the audio you want to improve, or create a new project if you're starting fresh. If you're creating a new one, give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. You can add your recordings to the project at any time, and Descript will organize them neatly in your timeline and transcript. With your project open, look to the right side of your screen for the Studio Sound option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a toggle or button in the Audio Enhancement or Effects panel. Click or enable Studio Sound. As soon as it's on, Descript will begin processing your audio. There's nothing else you need to do for the core cleanup. Studio Sound automatically removes background noises like hums, fan noise, and room hiss, and it enhances the voice to sound fuller and more present. Give it a moment to analyze your track. Processing time can vary based on the length of your recording and your computer's performance, so don't worry if it takes a little while. Once it's done, play your audio back to hear the difference. You should notice fewer distractions and a clearer, more professional vocal tone. If your project has multiple clips, the enhancement will apply to each selected clip or track in that project, staying consistent across your timeline. A few tips as you listen. If you're working with a very noisy recording, Studio Sound can still help a lot, but consider recording as cleanly as possible next time for the best results. You can also compare the before and after by temporarily disabling and re-enabling Studio Sound while previewing, which helps you decide if you're getting the balance you want. That's all there is to it. By going to Descript.com, logging in, opening or creating a project, and turning on Studio Sound from the right side panel, you can quickly remove background noise and enhance voices automatically. Save your project, and you're ready to share a cleaner, more polished edit.